Hi, this is Lauren with I Teach Teachers Tech, and I am so excited that you are downloading this freebie for Teacher Appreciation Week. We are going to look at how to use each of the templates to access your Google Keep headers. So what we're going to look at first is the Canva template. So if you're more comfortable with Canva, we're just going to go ahead and click right here. It's going to open up to the template page, and we can say edit template. And so you'll see that if we close out this right here, you can see down here all of the different designs. So there are two different themes. There's like an artsy theme and then a summer theme here. And you can see that I've already put some labels in here for you. So there's the days of the week, the weekend, and then we have priority, to-do list, inspiration, reminders, lesson ideas, parent contacts, and then I've also given you the two backgrounds. I've given them to you blank in case you want to add your own labels, or if you don't like how these labels look, you can use these slides. And I did the same thing here for the brushstroke theme. You can use it however you want to, but let's say that you like the labels that I've already done. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the share button, and we're going to download these. You probably don't want to download all 30 of them. Let's say you just want to do Monday through Friday. So we're going to do page 1, 2, and you want to do it with the kind of beachy theme. So let's see, like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right. And you do want it as a PNG. That way it's going to upload to your Google Keep as a image file. So we're going to click done and then download. Don't have to worry about a transparent background. So now that that's downloaded, we can go to our Keep account, which is keep.google.com. And you can see here I've already got a few little notes, but the way that you're going to add your headers is up at the top where it says take a note. You're going to come over to new note with an image, and you're going to click that right there. Then you are going to find what we just downloaded. Here it is. There we go. All right, so number 1, wherever you've saved it, that's where it should be. We're going to click open, and look, there's our gorgeous header, which we can now this can be our Monday to-do list, ideas, however you want to do it. But that is as easy as it is to use the Google headers. And that's with the Canva templates. As always, let me know if you have any questions.